Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today I've got a really exciting video for you guys. So I'm doing a Colourpop collaboration. I'm really into Colourpop makeup at the moment, especially eyeshadow palettes, so this is so exciting for me to do. And I'd like to thank Laurie Latimer. She came up with the idea to do this. And we also invited my so-called live 1977 Budget Beauty and More, Nona. So we've all come up with a look with our favourite palette, and mine at the moment, obviously I've not tried all the palettes that I've got. I'm sure I've got over 10 more to try. So my favourite palette at the moment, I thought it would have been the Her Honey. I really enjoyed using that when I used it, and also the Coaster Coral, but it's this one, guys, and I know I've only just used it, but you've not seen any of the looks anyway. In fact, I think the looks of this palette are going up tonight. I put a Shop My Stash up yesterday. I was gonna reschedule the looks that I did with the Limoncello palette, but I thought I created these looks last week, so maybe you'd want to see it. So 2 videos are going up in the space of 24 hours or even 12 hours, so I hope you don't mind that. Let's just check we're still recording. So let's get this beautiful palette out of its box. I know what shades I'm using already, that's why I'm wearing green, and I'm wearing a halter top that I got from Pretty Little Thing, which I'll show you at the end. I got it a while ago, probably about a month, 6 weeks ago. I'll show it to you on the model. The model looks far nicer than I do in it. So I'll get the picture of the model. She's like very, very petite. I mean, it fits me a lot better now. When it originally came, this neck bit was down here, and it should be kind of up there. But I don't wanna break the strap at the back by really stretching it out. So hopefully the more weight I lose, the better it will fit. But it is quite baggy at the back as well, so I probably could have gone down a size. Anyway, we're not here to talk about my clothing. Right, so here is the beautiful palette. By the time this video goes up, you would have already seen it, and you would have already seen me create the looks with it. So these 2 shades are being used for sure today. Last time I did a look with both those shades, I used Vespa in the Outer V, and it was so beautiful. I don't know what day I did that look, maybe day 2 or 3, but I feel like doing the wing with La Festa today, because I've not really used that blue that much in the looks that I created. So I want to use the palette, but I want to make it different to the looks that I created before. Okay, so I am going to be using some of the same shades though, just because I love them so much. So absolutely beautiful palette this. Yeah, it's definitely my favourite of the moment. So we're going to go in with Amalfi, just in the crease. Where's my mirror? Here. Oh, tape. I need tape for sure. Let's put some tape on first. See, I'm that excited. I can't even think straight. But tape gives me that precise line that I want, and I definitely need it for this palette. Okay, right, so back in with Amalfi. So like I said, Laurie Latimer asked us to do this collab with her, and I'm all for it. If any of you guys out there want to do a Colourpop collab, I am all for it, just because I've got so many of their palettes, and I'd much rather collab with a friend rather than using a palette by myself. But I do want to test them all out, so yes, just let me know in the comments if you'd like to collab. Right, so Laurie I've only just become friends with in the last, I'd say the last month. Nona I don't even know how long it's been. It's been well over a year for me and Nona. She's got such a beautiful channel. She does this amazing DIY crafting, like, you know, the spinning jennies. She will craft her own, and I'm so envious of that. Even though she shows us how to do it, I just don't trust myself with DIY. So I just buy mine, and it costs me so much money to buy them. She's got an amazing collection. Her beauty room is out of this world. It really, really is. She's a completionist, so she's got pretty much everything. Again, so envious. If I had the space, I probably would be a completionist myself. I just don't have the space. I've got those drawers behind me there and a vanity, and that's it. So, you know, I have to be kind of wary what I'm bringing into the collection, and that's why I always do declutters. I would say every 3 to 6 months I do the declutters. Now, Laurie, let's check her channel out, because to be honest, I've not watched a lot of her videos. I know she does hauls. I know she does Colourpop hauls because I've seen a couple of them on her channel. But I haven't really watched her just because I've been so busy lately. I've been sick as well. And yeah, oh, she does self-care Saturday. And she gets BoxyCharm as well, so she'll do BoxyCharm unboxings. What else? She does collabs, obviously, because we're in a collab with her. Try it on Tuesday. So she does Get Ready With Me's, Mass Mondays. The list really goes on. I would highly recommend you check these two ladies out. Of course, I'll leave their channels in the description box. I would really appreciate it if you check them out, and I know that they would. Right, so the right eye doesn't seem as pigmented as the left. Right, and I'm also going to do what I did last time. So I need to get the brush, and then I'll tell you what that is. So it's the Sigma, I think it's the pencil brush. Yeah, Sigma E30, so it just looks like that. And then I go in with a darker shade just underneath where I've gone in with that shade now. I think I'm going to use the Grotto. I used that one last time, Vespa, when I did it, and I didn't like it as much. So let's use the Grotto. So who's got this palette and what do you think of it? So I'm just going in here to make a line. And I think no, I'm not going into the outer V. That's what the blue's for. Yeah, what do you think of this palette, guys? Now, there's a few palettes that I want that are on my wish list. Lizzie McGuire for sure. I didn't think I'd want that when I looked at it last time I placed an order with Colourpop. Yeah, I didn't think I wanted it. I thought about placing another order because they've got that 25% sale going on at the moment. And I'll tell you what I put in the basket. I don't think I'm going to place this order. One, I'm on a low buy, and two, I've got to get through all those Colourpop palettes, and there's a few other new palettes that I've brought into the collection. So let me just go onto their website and I'll tell you what it is. I'll probably just order in the next 30% sale that they have. So there's five things in my basket. I was gonna order something for you guys and put it in a giveaway, which I'll do next time. I'll leave pictures of them as well. There's the Cabano Club eyeshadow palette, that's gone down to $13.50. And there's the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturiser, that's still full price at $14. What do you guys think of that moisturiser? Is it worth the money? Should I purchase it? Because I don't really have much tinted moisturisers in my collection. I know this palette has had a little bit of stick, but I want the Sailor Moon Pretty Guardian palette. That one looks really, really pretty. These are all colourful palettes, by the way. And then lastly, it was the Lizzie McGuire palette. So in total, that would have been $74 for me. And I'll tell you what it converts to in the UK. I think it was something like £66 or something when I looked at it. I'm going to just have another look, because that, I don't know if that seems right, but then you've got to factor shipping. I did use the code Shay, that gives you like 5% off. I always use her code. Yeah, it's 65.24, and I can't justify spending that. I've spent far too much on eyeshadow palettes. I brought 2 new eyeshadow palettes into the collection, and I shouldn't even be buying eyeshadow. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get them. Right, so we're just going to leave it there. It's just to kind of contour the eye, to give the illusion of a cut crease, but it's not a cut crease because we've not actually done the cut crease. But I like the way this looks, just by doing the line there. Might have to put some more of that Amalfi on towards the end. Right, now we're going to create the blue line that I want. I hope this turns out. I don't really have time to film it again. It doesn't have to go up till the 11th, but I've got other videos that I need to do looks with. So it's La Festa. And we're just going to go in here. Gonna have to keep building it up. We're just creating a line, but I want it quite pigmented. And it's amazing, guys. My left eye's not watering. Need to add a bit more blue to the left. Right, now we need to go in with my Japanesque brush, if I can find it. Oh, it's here, hiding away from me. Right, and then I'm going to go in with Serenade. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm not taking it all the way across because I want to go in with the green shimmer as well. I might only take it into the middle, but I'm going to build it up. Get it really, really pigmented. My foundation's looking a hot mess today. It's really gone into the corner of my nose there. I'm not too sure whether I like that foundation anymore. It's the L'Oreal Fresh Wear one. Don't think I'll buy it again. Okay, right, so now we're going in with Capri, which is this green one here. These shades, guys, they just make this palette. They really do. And they blend so nicely into one another. They're like butter. Right, and then I'm going to get my smoky eye brush, and we're going to use the inner corner, which is Touring, that one there. Oh yeah, this is looking pretty and so different to the last look I did with these shades. Yeah, that looks nice. And then I'm going to go back in with the blue all on the lash line. La Festa. Every time I say La Festa, I keep thinking of Uncle Fester from the Addams Family. Right, let's put some mascara on. Absolutely love this mascara, guys. It's so nice. Does give you that false lash effect. I mean, I've got pretty long lashes anyway. But it does make them look nice. And I'm actually getting used to the brush now. I didn't like it at first. Right, now I just need to go and grab a lippy. I think I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Cream in the shade Morocco. I've not used it for a while and I want to see if it's still good. And it's one of those orange toned reds. I think it will look nice with this look. I think I'm just going to blend out that brown that I put in the crease. And I'm going to do that with this Cargo Magic eye brush. Just blend it out a bit. Just so it doesn't look as harsh as it is. I think that's better. And maybe just add a little bit more yellow. And I'll use that with the Morphe brush because I definitely don't want it going up to the brow bone. And also we need a brow bone highlight, thinking about that. See, I'm forgetting to do everything. Okay, leave it there. Okay, so now then, let's get the smoky eye brush and let's go in with Touring again, what we use for the inner corner, and just put that on the brow bone for our brow bone highlight. Blend it out a bit. Oh, that's a bit much. I always go ham on the left eye. Okay, so that's that. On the outro, guys, and it didn't record, so I'm hoping this time it will. So guys, this concludes the look. This is the overall look that we created with the palette today. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. I've loved doing this Colourpop collaboration just because it gives me the chance to use Colourpop eyeshadow. I absolutely love their formula at the moment, but this formula in this limoncello palette feels a lot better than in their other palettes. It really is good, and it's on sale at the moment on the Colourpop website, so if you are looking at it, then I would grab it now. It's 25% off. So guys, I'd like to say thank you to Laurie and Nona for this collaboration. I've really enjoyed creating this look, and this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell. I'm currently working on a giveaway at the moment and that should go up soon, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Please like, share and comment. It really does help out the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.